Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can turn on and off quick share on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do this, we need to go to the settings, and then in the settings we can go to connected devices, and over here tap on quick share. Finally, over here we have who can share with you. If you go here, then you can select if you want to share it with no one, with contacts only, or with everyone. And we also have the option to enable this feature only for 10 minutes. So let's say I'm gonna keep everyone and then press done in order to apply the change. And now quick share is enabled. If you want to disable it, then you can go back to the same settings and choose no one instead. You can also open the quick access. And over here we have quick share, or you might have it on a different page. If you find it, you can tap on this button in order to reopen the same option, and then you can choose the new desired setting. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.